Welcome to HCN Evening News Bulletin with me, Clinton D'Souza, and here are the top stories. Earlier, the North District Magistrate had imposed a ban of 60 days on digging and cutting of all types of roads during the monsoon, citing that these activities could pose immediate danger and disruption to the life of motorists, pedestrians, and general public. But on Monday, it was a different situation. The sounds of car horning, then people frustrated while moving was the mood of every commuter and the vehicle entering into the capital city on Monday. On one side, the new Pato Bridge was dug by the PWD for cleaning and repair of underground drainage, which resulted in heavy traffic and confusion. Take a look. The so-called unplanned repair works resulted in heavy traffic jam in the capital city on Monday. Many got delayed for their work, while some were stuck in traffic for hours. Earlier, the North District Magistrate had imposed a ban of 60 days on digging and cutting of all types of roads during the monsoon. But now, looks like without any proper planning, the PWD went ahead to dig this road, which began on Friday. But things got much more worse on Monday, that's today. Team Herald and HCN was on site until 11 in the morning, but there was no sign of any engineer or official on site. Looking at the ongoing work and monsoon, this work won't be completed, people have predicted. All commuters to Panjim will have to plan their visit to Panjim well in advance.
किधर 2 दिन हाफडे ही किया काम?
मैं एक दिन हाफ डे किया था।
कौन सा वाला दिन?
फर्स्ट डे।
मतलब शुक्रवार को हाफडे किया था?
मैं शनिवार को शायद शनिवार
को हाफडे किया था।
हाँ।
और बाद में छोड़ दिया। चिकल है अंदर, चिकड़ है।
बहुत चिकन।
ड्रेनेज नया बना रहा है या खुद रहा है पहले वाला?
नया बनाने का है। पहले का ड्रेनेज था, अभी नया बना रहा है ना।
अभी नया बना रहा है। आपको कितना टाइम लगेगा ऐसा लगता है?
अभी मैं कुछ बोल नहीं सकते।
आपके जैसे भी चलाते हो, लेकिन आपका वो सुपरवाइजर नहीं तो बात्रा कोई नहीं इधर
नहीं आया, वो ब्रिज के पास है हम लोग।
उधर काम चल रहा है, लेकिन ये मेन रोड का है ना?
अभी करेगा ना, आ रहे हूँ।
आ रहा है। और सीसीपी के लोग इधर कोई नहीं आए, म्यूनसिपालिटी वाले लोग कोई नहीं है
अभी तो कोई नहीं, क्या मालूम है अभी क्या
आप स्टॉप क्यों किया काम? इधर कोई दिखा नहीं काम वाला।
नहीं ऐसा नहीं।
हाँ, कहाँ है कोई?
अभी
है
आ रहे हैं,
अभी आ रहा है। कब काम शुरू किया था?
कल ही खुदाई करेगा।
कल शुरू किया था, शनिवार से किया था ना? कल से नहीं, मैंने देखा वो फ्राइडे से चालू है। लेकिन अभी कौन आने वाला है? किसका वेट कर रहा है?
परसों
वेट किसका कर रहा है अभी?
सेट भी आएगा।
वो अभी तक कोई नहीं आया सुबह से।
नहीं अभी आया, उधर ब्रिज के पास चालू है, वो काम चालू है ना।
उसका ही है वो, सीसीपी कर रहा है वो।
हाँ?
सीसीपी काम कर रहा है।
वो कंक्रीट का है।
हाँ, वो अभी आया नहीं, उसके लिए वेट कर रहा है तू।
129 years old theatre industry, one of the biggest in the country with regards to dramatic art, is not spared by the COVID-19. Theatre, which is a unique and natural compared to other dramatic art forms, have been a source of income for hundreds of artists in Goa since last several decades. However, nearly 80% of theatrists who are fully dependent on performing art are struggling to sustain themselves as they have no other source of income in order to feed their families. Hence, the Theatre fraternity has urged the government a financial support in return for what they have given to the society. In the history of 129 years, the first time ever, the art artists are struggling to sustain their art of livelihood. Watch to what they have to say.
कोविड-19 ह्या पॅन्डमिकाक लागून आतां फाटलीं 1.5 वर्सां आयले तियात्र बंद आसा आनी जाचे वरवीं जे तियात्रिस्ट फकत तियात्राचेर पाट घेवन आपलो घराबो चलयताले तांकां खूब खूब त्रास जाल्यात. फुडें आसतना तांणी आपलें कितें सेवींग आसलें तें वापरून आयज पासून तांचो घराबो चलयल्यात. पूण आतां फुडाराक खूब डिफिकल्ट जातलें तांकां चलोवंक, कित्याक इतलें बेगीन कितें तरी नॉर्मल जातलें हें आमच्यान म्हणूंक जायना. तेन्ना हांव मागता सरकारा लागीं हे आमचे तियात्रिस्ट भाव आसात भयणो आसात तांचे घोराबे फकत तियात्राचेरूच चलताले, तांकां कितेंय तरी म्हयन्याक कितेंय तरी दिवंक एक 10,000 तरी मिनिमम. कित्याक तुमी जाणात आतां तुजी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बील, वॉटर बिल्स, मागीर गॅस, वायफाय आतां तो जायच. हें सगळें हें म्हटल्यार 5,000 जातात. तेन्ना गव्हर्मेंटान कितेंय तरी आमचे तियात्रिस्ट भावांक मदत करची, म्हयन्याचें कितेंय तरी तांकां दिवचें. जशें तुमी सिनियर सिटीजनांक दितात, विडोजांक दितात, फ्रिडम फायटरांक दितात, तशें ह्या तियात्रिस्टांकूय कितेंय तरी दिवचें. टील हें जावं पासून परत तियात्र सुरू जावं पासून तांकां दिवचें आनी तांच्या आदाराक येवचें म्हणून हांव सरकारा लागीं मागतां.
कोविड महामारीक लागून आमी सगळ्याच त्रासांत पडलेले आसात. चड संकटांत पडल्यात ते आमचे तियात्रिस्ट. कारण आमचे तियात्रिस्ट फकत तियात्रांचेरूच येतात, ताचें दुसरें कसलेंच बिजनेस ना. हांव जाणा 1 म्हयनो पासून तियात्र ना जालो जाल्यार तियात्रिस्तांचे फॅमिलीचे कसले हाल जातात पळय ते. आनीक आतां 1 वर्स 3 म्हयने अदीक जाले तियात्र बंद. खंयसरूच तियात्र जायनात. दॅट मिन्स कसलोच इनकम तियात्रिस्तांक ना. ते कशे जेतात आनी कशी जमीन आनीक मळो बॅग करतात ते फकत देव जाणा. त्या वेळार हांव फकत आमच्या सरकाराक मागणें करतां, विनवती करतां सरकाराक, ताणें आमच्या तियात्रिस्तांक कितेंय तरी आदार करूं. जशें परी हांवें वाचलां पयरूच राजस्थानाच्या चीफ मिनिस्टरान थंयच्या आर्टिस्टांक एक स्कीम केल्या. आनी ती स्कीम म्हटल्यार सगल्या आर्टिस्टांक एका एकल्याक 5-5 हजारांचो आदार दिवपाचो. तसली कसलीय तरी आमच्या तियात्रिस्तांक एक स्कीम काडून आनी ते स्किमीचो आमचे गरजेक पडलेल्या तियात्रिस्तांनी
जायते तियात्रिस्ट आतां जॉब ना जावन सरकाराचो कांय सपोर्ट मेळना जावन गल्फाक जावं युरोपाक मायग्रंट्सान थिंगा सेटल जावन आसात. सो अशें जर वचत रावले जाल्यार तियात्रिस्ट म्हूण काबार जातले आनी गोंयचें कल्चरूय काबार जातलें. आतां रफली आमी एक फावट सरकारान आमच्या पार्सेकाराचो गव्हर्मेंट आसता आसतना, BJP गव्हर्मेंट आसतना सरकारान आमकां तियात्रांक सेन्सर लावपाक ट्राय केल्ली. तेन्ना आमी तो सेन्सर अपोज करपाक सिग्नेचर्स घेतलेल्यो. तेन्ना रफली हांव जाणा ते प्रमाणे हांवूय मेन इनवॉल्व जालो. 600+ सिग्नेचर्स आसल्यो. सो 600 फामिली वयर हेजेरूच आमच्या तियात्रांचेरूच पोसता म्हणून येता. सो सरकाराचो आमकां ह्या टायमार पॅन्डेमिकान आतां 1.5 वर्स जालें. हेर तरी सगळे कोण बारीक बारीक बिझनेस करता. आमी 1.5 वर्स जालें तियात्रिस्ट टोटली घरांत बसून आसा.
A road that leads to nowhere finds a way in Sangay. Delighted to see the newly done road to Sangeli village, which was totally in a bad condition. A villager, Gaurish Willip, thanked the Daily Herald and HCN for taking up the issue. Another villager, that is Suhas Gankar, explained the difficulties of the villagers enhanced in the last several years on the account of non-motorable condition of the road to Sangini village, with the portion of the washed away portion to have been done with cement. The villagers are a lot of peace as they would now be able to use the road during the monsoon. While the most depleted portion of this road to the village now stands done completely, villagers urged the PWD authority to undertake hot mixing of the remaining portion of the road from Netravali to Sangini village, which was done some 8 years back. The road has developed potholes at many places, which and then is needed to be repaired before the monsoon and other things. Now the forest department is undertaking any development project in the hilly area which comes under the direction of the Netravati Wildlife Sanctuary. It is ironically development even objects and causes inconsiderable delays in cleaning the development works of the village.
ह्या गांवा भितर टोटल 150 लोक रावतात. पूण ह्या 150 लोकांक रस्त्याची इतलो प्रॉब्लेम जाल्लो. 2012 जेन्ना इलेक्शन जालें ताजे नंतर ह्या गांवचे खुबशे लोक माजी आमदाराक येवन मेळ्ळे आनी त्या टायमाचेर वेल्लें टू साळजिणी त्याच बरोबर नेत्रावळी टू वेल्लें असो कंप्लीट फूल रोड करपाचें ध्येय जें आसलें हें माजी आमदारान घेतलेलें आनी त्या प्रमाणे काम सुरू जालें. त्या टायमाचेर 2014 ह्या रस्त्याचें काम सुरू जालें आनी 2014 नंतर 2 वर्स म्हणल्यार काम खऱ्यांनीच बरे पैकी सुरू आसलें. मदींच खूब म्हणजे हो गांव जो आसा हो सामको कर्नाटका बाउंड्रीक तेंकोन आसले कारणान हांगसर जे म्हणजे गाडयो ज्यो येवपा जाय आसल्यो कितें सामान घेवन येवपा जाय आसलें हें हांगसर येना जालें. त्या खातीर हांगसर जो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आसलो तेणें थोडे अर्देशें सादारणशें काम केलें आनी काम सोडूनच गेलो. परत एकदां काम सोडटकीर ह्या लोकांचे परत एकदां हाल हांगसर ह्या गांवा भितर येतलो जाल्यार एक तर मोटरसायकलय भितर सरना, गाडी तर व्हडली गाडी तर नाच. तांकां इतली त्रास जावपाक लागले ते सगळ्या फुडें गेले. ते पयलीं तशें पळयलें जाल्यार आयज जो सद्या आमदार आसा प्रसाद गांवकर ताचे कडेन गेले, तेजे नंतर डेप्युटी कलेक्टरा कडेन गेले, मामलेदारा कडेन गेले, तेजे नंतर ते सुभाष फळदेसाया कडेन गेले. अशें सगळ्या कडेन ते गेले पूण कोणेच काम करुना. पूण सुभाष फळदेसायान तांकां एक एश्युरन्स दिलें की हो जो रस्तो जो आसा हो आपूण तुमकां 100% करून दिता. म्हणजे जें सादारणशें तुमकां येवपाक वचपाक आपणे रोड केल्लोच पूण ज्या जाग्यार सामकें भितर वता चॅक जाता अशें जाग्याचेर आपूण खंय तरी तुमकां करून दिता. आनी त्या प्रमाणे सांगलें त्या प्रमाणे म्हणजे चीफ मिनिस्टरा कडेन मिटींग घेतली आनी चीफ मिनिस्टरा कडेन मिटींग घेवन हें सगळें सँक्शन केलें. सँक्शन केल्या नंतर परत एकदां आनी एक मोठे ऑब्र आयले. फॉरेस्ट परत एकदां हांगसर सामकें अडखळ करपाक लागले आनी फॉरेस्ट म्हणपाक लागले ना आमचें परमिशन नासतना तुमी रस्तो करपाक शकना. तेजे नंतर परत एकदां फॉरेस्टा कडेन मिटींग घेतली आनी फॉरेस्टा कडेन मिटींग घेतली नंतर तांचे कडल्यान सोल्युशन घेवन म्हणजे एनओसी घेवन म्हाजे आमदार तेच बरोबर आमी सगळ्यांनी बसून हे सगळे रोड जो आसा हो करपाक तेणें एनओसी दिली. आतां हो रोड तशें पळयलें जाल्यार म्हणजे हॉटमिक्स हेजी गाडी जी आसा म्हणजे सिमेंटाची जे गाडी आसा ती गाडी हांगसर येवपाक त्रास करपाक लागली. तरी आसतना म्हाज्या आमदारान तांकां सांगलें ना कशे भशेन रोड जावपाक जाय, रोड जाता तुमी गाडी धाडपाक जाय. वर्सान हांगसर गाडी जाल्ली आनी आयज हांगसर गाडी येवन म्हाका दिसता बरे पैकी सादारण ज्या जाग्यार खऱ्यांनीच गाडी सामकीच वचनासली अशा जाग्यार आयज कॉन्क्रीट जे बरे पैकी पडले कडेन आसा ते गांवचे लोक सगळे समाधानी आसात. तांकां दिसपाक लागला खऱ्यांनीच आयज जे आमच्या गांवाक आयज आमकां वेवस्थीत वचपाक मेळटलें. आमी एज अ काम करतना परत वेल्ल्या सायजिणी गांवा भितर खूब पावटी पावतात. आतां म्हाज्या आमदारान सांगलें तशें पयरूच हांव हांगसर आयिल्लो त्या टायमाचेर तें म्हणपाक लागलें की आमकां हांगसर एनओसी मेळना. एनओसी मेळना जातकीर परत एकदां हांव आमदारा कडेन गेलें, म्हाज्या आमदारा कडेन गेलें आनी हें काम जें आसा हें केल्ले कडेन आसा. जिल्हा पंचायती इलेक्शनाक तेणें खऱ्यांनीच विरोध केल्लो. आमी हांगसर इलेक्शनाक म्हणजे वोटूच मारचिनात. खुबशे गव्हर्मेंट ऑथॉरिटी हांगसर आयले, तेणी करता म्हणून सांगलें पूण परत एकदां खंयच पांय दिवना. पूण आमी तेंच्या संपर्कांत आसले, म्हाजे आमदार तेंच्या संपर्कांत आसलो त्या खातीर आयज हो रस्तो जावपाक पावलो कडेन आसा. म्हणजे म्हाका सांगपाक बरें दिसता खऱ्यांनीच साळजिणकार जेन्ना आमी काल ते गांवांत गेले ते म्हणपाक लागले खरें आमकां बरें दिसलें. आमकां म्हणजे आमचो कोण तरी आसा अशें आमकां दिसपाक लागलें अशें ते.
Hello and welcome. As we start this week, let us begin with a editorial that is close to the hearts of many Goans, an issue which is close to the hearts of many Goans. Today we talk about Goa's culture and the erosion of Goa's culture and the fact that Goa's culture in the form of its theatras, its nataks, its khel theatras are not being looked after and protected by the rulers of Goa at this point of time. The theatre community has been an extremely traditional and a powerful force in Goa. They are the cultural ambassadors of Goa. So are the people who contribute with their music, with their khel theatras, with their nataks. And essentially culture is something that has been protected in Goa across both sides, in the sense that both communities, the Hindus and as well as the Catholics and the Christians, have done more than their bit to keep Goa's cultural ethos alive. In fact, as far as theatros is concerned, we would say that even during the Portuguese rule and thereafter, theatre was also an art which kept the language, the Konkani language alive. The language of Goa has also thrived because of the presence of this art form, which has kept alive the language, which is so important. And as you all know, Herald has played has been in the forefront of the whole Konkani agitation and keeping Konkani alive. But this culture has also been the culture of keeping Goa together, to expand on issues, to express reality through art and culture, is something that even the Khel Theatras have done, and the Nataks have also done. The Nataks are also more in the line of Marathi theatre, and they've also done their bit as much as the Theatras have. So what are we talking about today? What we are essentially saying is that in this almost 2 years of the pandemic, the theatre fraternity is at a very, very disturbed state. They are not earning enough, their funds have dried up, their shows have absolutely dried up, and there is no kind of support from the government. And we are not really talking of monetary support. That is one part of it. Of course, one needs some kind of compensation to get by, because if you see 80 to 90% of the theatrists depend only on theatre alone. It is the art that they've given their entire lives to, and they don't do anything else. They don't understand anything else. So in the 2 years, the question that we need to ask is, what has the government done for our theatrists and all other performing artists? What has the government done? Has there been any thought towards seeing to it that their lives are still stable? Because they've given us so much of entertainment, they've kept our culture alive, and at the same time they are mirrors of our society. We understand that the theatrists often are very scathing in their attack against the government. In fact, if the government takes an anti-people decision, the next day you will have a theatre composed or a song composed. But these are not anti-government, they are pro-people. Theatrists basically speak the voice of the people, like Herald does. They speak about issues that concern the common man, and they take on the government if the government takes any decisions against the common man. So in the last 2 to 3 years, what we ask is, has a corpus fund been made to see that theatre families are supported? Has there been any provision to tell them, or any scheme to tell them, saying that, look, you produce shows online, the government will help in the production of those shows online, and once the shows go online, then there can be a small fee for people to come and watch those shows online. There needs to be some amount of consideration for these people, because at the end of the day, they are Goa's own sons and daughters, and they have sheer talent. Goa's musical talent and the talent with regard to scripts, to plays, is recognized, why just in India, but all over the world. There is respect for Goan theatre all over the world, and the sad part is that theatre these days seems to be better recognized by societies abroad than in Goa. You go to Australia, you go to New Zealand, you go to the Gulf, you go to England, you go to Canada, go to the US. There is a great deal of respect for this art form. What is happening now? You have theatrists forced to sell fish. They cannot pay for the fees for the children's education. Many of them have, in utter frustration, left Goa and gone to foreign shows to live and earn. And we are losing talent. At the end of the day, Mahatma Gandhi had actually said that a nation's culture resides in the heart and the soul of its people. It is this culture that we are disrespecting. We are disrespecting the culture of theatras, khels, and so on and so forth. And the government is doing this. We are not saying they are doing it deliberately, but there is certain amount of ignorance, or there is certain amount of callousness that has come in. There is no thought given to this. There is no thought given to the fact that these theatrists need support. They need financial support, emotional support. They need the support of the powers that be, to tell them that, look, you go on doing what you do, and we are next to you. So what is happening is that during the good old times, they have given so much of joy to people. We remember there were some theatres where 30 to 40 houseful shows used to happen back to back. Buses were hired in villages and people used to come in those buses en masse, watch a theatre, and buses would take people back to the villages. It was the only form of entertainment for a long period of time which held people together. It was satire, it was entertainment, it was comedy, all rolled into one. So this videotutorial only highlights the fact that it's high time that we completely step in. The government should get out of its slumber, along with all right thinking people, plan. The Art and Culture Department should get its act together and plan, and to see to it that the cultural community of theatrists, writers, musicians, everybody are absolutely supported, absolutely protected, so that the cultural glory of Goa is not hurt and destroyed. Thank you.
Our final story is that Goa has been witnessing heavy rainfall over the last couple of days. IMD has declared Goa on red alert, especially on Monday and Tuesday. However, the rain will continue till Wednesday. Take a look at what happened during the day across the state. Well, that's all we have in today's evening news bulletin. Keep watching HCN. To stay updated, please do follow us on Twitter at Oheraldo Goa and also on Facebook at Oheraldo Goa. And also do subscribe to our YouTube channel at HCN Goa. Thank you.